Samsung's tri-fold smartphone, the highly anticipated Galaxy G Fold, is stirring up the tech world with rumors hinting at its bold, futuristic design and cutting-edge features. And if you're thinking it's a complete departure from the foldables we know, think again, because this device might share a lot more with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 than you'd expect. According to fresh leaks, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy G Fold could borrow essential design elements, such as a hinge mechanism, speaker drivers, and cutout placements directly from the Z Fold 7. And this isn't just about aesthetics. It's a strategic move to cut manufacturing costs and streamline the production pipeline to make this tri-fold innovation a reality sooner than expected. While Samsung hasn't confirmed an official launch date for the Galaxy G Fold, insiders suggest that the project is in active development. And though previous reports hinted at mass production aligning with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, it now seems the Korean tech giant is choosing to refine and perfect its triple display masterpiece with more patience, ensuring a polished final product. The leaks come courtesy of reliable tipster at Panda Flash Pro, who not only claims that the Galaxy G Fold is confirmed, but also reveals Samsung's cost-saving approach of reusing critical internal components across both foldables. And that could be a game changer. Think of it this way. By equipping both the G Fold and Z Fold 7 with the same speaker systems and hinge architecture, Samsung can maintain quality while minimizing logistical complexity, which is essential given the premium price tags these devices command. But let's talk about what makes a Galaxy G Fold stand out. This is no ordinary foldable. It's a tri-fold smartphone that might unfold like a futuristic scroll, and with inspiration potentially drawn from the Huawei Mate X series. Samsung could deliver a multi-panel design that seamlessly transitions between compact and tablet form factors like never before. However, due to the unique nature of its design and target market, this device won't be produced in large numbers. It's meant for a niche segment of power users, enthusiasts, and early adopters, meaning the Galaxy G Fold won't be cheap. And that's exactly why Samsung is consolidating its supply chain with existing Z Fold 7 components. Now here's a spicy detail. Rumors also claim that the Galaxy G Fold will support 8K video recording at 30 FPS. But before you get too excited, there's a catch. This capability will reportedly be exclusive to primary rear camera only, which is a bit of a letdown considering the steep expected price. And while it's not yet clear if the ultra-wide or telephoto lenses will offer similar video prowess, this limitation could be a point of criticism among content creators. Still, the inclusion of 8K video in any form hints at Samsung's ambition to pack flagship-tier hardware into a form factor the world has rarely seen. And that alone makes this device one to watch closely. Interestingly, this design strategy echoes Samsung's larger vision to make folding screens mainstream without skyrocketing production costs. And while most people are focused on Galaxy Z Fold 7's upgrades, the G Fold is quietly shaping up to be the sleeper hit of 2025. With rumors about Perplexity AI becoming the default assistant on the Galaxy S26 and Samsung's broader push into AI integration across its ecosystem, there's every chance the G Fold will also feature enhanced AI capabilities to support multitasking, screen optimization, camera enhancements, and real-time productivity tools. Imagine unfolding your device into a 3-panel workspace, powered by smart AI that understands your workflow and adapts in real time. But despite the buzz, many questions remain. How durable will the triple hinge be? What's the battery life like across 3 screens? And will app developers optimize their software to take advantage of this massive, flexible canvas? For now, we wait. And while Samsung hasn't officially pulled the curtain back on the Galaxy G Fold, all signs suggest the company is taking a calculated, cost-efficient approach to deliver a premium, experimental device without compromising on quality. So, whether you're a fan of bleeding-edge tech or just curious about the future of foldable phones, the Galaxy G Fold is shaping up to be one of the most talked-about releases of the year. And as always, we'll be here to keep you updated with every new detail. Don't forget to subscribe and stay locked in. This is TechVerse, your #1 destination for next-gen mobile innovations, leaks, and everything in between.